So what happens if the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damages? Hi, my name is Steve Talkin. I'm a personal injury attorney. I practice in the St. Louis metro area as well as Southern Illinois, including Madison and St. Clair County. I'd like to try and answer the question, what happens if the other driver or the at-fault driver doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough automobile liability insurance? What generally happens is we'll look to see if you, the victim, the injured person, has their own insurance that could cover the loss. A lot of times you can purchase what's called uninsured motorist vehicle coverage or underinsured motorist vehicle coverage. And it is exactly what it sounds like. You buy insurance that will cover and pay for your losses if the other person is uninsured. You buy insurance to cover your losses if the other person doesn't have enough insurance to cover your losses. Most states have minimum levels of automobile liability insurance that you're required to have. And in Illinois, the minimum limits are $20,000 per accident or per person, $40,000 per accident. Let's say your damages from a motor vehicle accident total $50,000. The other driver only has $20,000 of coverage. If you've purchased what's called underinsured motor vehicle coverage from your own insurance company, you would then potentially have enough money to cover the $30,000 difference between what the other driver has and what your damages are. So likewise, if the other driver that hit you, let's say you're rear-ended, they hit you and they cause $50,000 of damage. If the other driver doesn't have any insurance, if you've purchased uninsured motorist vehicle coverage from your carrier, you can then use that insurance money to cover your damages. And that's generally what we're talking about when you talk about uninsured and underinsured motor vehicle coverage. So if you or someone you know, a loved one or a family member, has been involved in an accident and you have any questions concerning uninsured or underinsured coverage, online at waltontelkin.com.